Hey everybody, Bobby here with another great recipe for you on my mom's YouTube channel here. I'm starting off the recipe with cooking bacon. Oh boy, does that smell great. The recipe, this is a little bit of an illusion though, because the recipe doesn't really, well, I guess it does involve the bacon. We're really making a beautiful salad dressing with that bacon. So I'm cooking this bacon and it's just about, well, it's really time right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. It's about ready. And I'm gonna put the bacon aside on a paper towel plate here. And to that bacon grease, I'm gonna add some shallot. Go shallot. And I'm gonna cook this for about 2 minutes in that bacon grease. Oh boy, does that smell so good. Already, it smells great. And I'm gonna cook this, just kind of toast it for about 2 minutes. And let these flavors marry together. And that's about the longest process in this recipe. So I've got 2 minutes. Why don't we take a break right now and we'll come right back and finish up this beautiful spinach salad. That's what we're making with a warm bacon dressing. All right, now my shallots have cooked to a nice brown with my bacon grease there. And to that I'm gonna whisk in some vinegar, some red wine vinegar. And turn that down nice and low. Vinegar and a little bit of Dijon mustard. This is about that's a big tablespoon. I'm gonna add about 3/4 of it, see how it looks, and if I want to add some more I can. Oh, these are just wonderful flavors together too. Shallot, bacon grease, Dijon mustard. Ooh. Just makes for a great salad dressing. I'm gonna go ahead and use it all. I like that color. That's nice. Now this recipe, if you're wondering, comes from the Deen brothers' Y'all Come Eat recipe that we've used. We've made recipes out of here before. A great book. These recipes are tried and true. They're very well received by folks who bought the book and by me. Wonderful. Dijon, red wine vinegar, shallot, bacon grease. Makes for a really, really nice salad dressing. Okay, now, in a bowl over here, I've got some beautiful fresh spinach. I'm gonna add to that some red onion, purple onion, and button mushrooms that have been removed. The stem has been removed. I'm just gonna toss this together. Toss it, toss it, toss it. Just get everything sort of married here. It's a really, really pretty salad. It's simple to make. It's very pretty. Mushrooms, purple onion, these things are nice together. The bacon grease and the notes of the mustard and the shallot in there too are gonna make for a gorgeous presentation. So I'm just gonna pour in, not all of it. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour over some of our warm dressing here. Oh gosh, look at how nice. And to complete the salad, I've chopped up the bacon that we had cooking on the stovetop, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some of those pieces of bacon right on top. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Just marry it together a little bit. And that is a beautiful spinach salad with warm bacon dressing. It's a home run. I think you'll like it, and I know that your guests will. So try this at home with your family or when you're having friends over. It's a beautiful recipe. It's really simple to make. It's quick, and I think you'll love it. Thanks, everybody.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.